how do you though handle pressure or expectations after getting a hit with Bahala Na? Or may pressure ba? If wala, mas okay syempre kung wala. Pero
may onting pressure kasi syempre may isa akong parang interview na napanood sa TikTok kay Tim Marquez from One Click Straight. Sabi niya parang people pleasers din naman tayo minsan, mga artists. And ako, I agree doon. Kasi kahit itanggi ko na masarap din kasi nung validation or nakukuha mo rin galing sa ibang tao eh. Pag nagpaparinig ka ng song. So siguro sa pressure, onting pressure na magugustuhan kaya nila ulit yung new songs ko, ganun. Or mga ganun. Or yun nga, magiging kasing lakas ba to ni Bahala Na or kung ano man, mga ganun stuff.
so parang ano siya, parang little less na pressure, parang more on it's an honor to even be on the opportunity or to have the opportunity na mas taasan pa yung Bahala Na potentially. Diba? Parang mag-create ka talaga. Parang ginaganahan ka mag-create to follow up or to just even create, di ba? Parang as an artist, gets ko naman yung sinasabi mo.
Hey, thanks for watching!
For more exclusive videos and
Artist interviews, you can check out our videos by clicking here. And don't forget to follow us
on our social media accounts too.
Links are in the description below.